Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we'll perform a small video on URL filtering. Okay. In this lab, I have a one Windows host machine and I have a standalone checkpoint here, and standalone checkpoint is connected to internet. Okay. Each 0 will be configured as a DHCP. Okay, let's start the lab. Checkpoint is booting. I will pause the video until it boots completely. In this lab, I am using 192.168.1.1 as for a Windows host machine, and I have already configured this IP address to this host machine, and the gateway is 192.168.1.10 and it is connected to a ETH1 interface. Okay, my checkpoint is up and running. Okay, now log into the checkpoint. The username admin and password is admin@123. Okay, check the interface. cp start os-f ifconfig. Okay, here it. Okay, ETH1 interface is not yet configured. So what we will do is we will configure the ETH1 interface. Set interface ETH1. So what is the IP address? So the IP address is 192.168.1.10. So IPv4 address 192.168.1.10 with a mask length 24. Okay, let's bring the interface ETH1 interface up. So it state on and save the config. Okay, let's check. Okay, so ETH1 interface is configured. Okay, now log into the host machine and try to access the gateway. So before that, there will be a default policies. It will be installed to this interface. So what we will do is we will remove that default policy. Yes, it says that ETH1 interface got a default policy, so we will remove with the unload local. Okay, now we will try to log into 192.168. Yes, this is the IP. So we will try to ping the gateway 192.168.1.10. As it's pinging. Oh, it came up here. So log into GUI. Okay, whatever the IP address we have configured, it's reflecting here. So we have to configure the ETH0 interface as a DHCP. So let's configure the ETH0 interface. Okay, click on edit, select that interface and click on that edit. Okay, Can place the command is connected to internet and select this as a obtain IPv4 address automatically. Let's click on OK. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Or else we can check from here only. Yes, the 8.0 interface code 192.168.0.100. So let's ping to the next hop. In this example, the next hop is 192.168.0.1. Yes, I'm able to ping to the next hop. Let's try to ping the Google, whether I'm able to reach Google or not. Okay, I'm not able to reach because I have to add a default route towards the ISP. Okay, let's try to add that one. Okay, before that you have to add a DNS entry because it has to resolve to IP. So primary DNS is in my case it's a 192.168.0.1. I have already added here. And we have to add a default route towards ISP. So now you select this one and edit. So select this one and edit. In my case it's my next stop. I will add a default route to my next stop. Zero dot 1. Okay, save. Okay, now it's got saved. Now let's try to ping the Google. I think yes, I'm able to reach Google now. Okay, let's do a trace route. Okay, yes, I'm able to do a trace route as well. So we have added a 8.0 interface and we have added a DNS entry and we have added a default route towards ISP or internet. So now log into the smart dashboard and create a rule and let's try to access the internet via host machine. Why we have to access the internet uh, from host machine is because we have to once when we are doing a URL filtering, so we have to access the social networking sites like Facebook, YouTube, Gmail, these kind of applications we have to access. And in URL filtering, what we will do is we will block some of the application and we'll try to access whether we are able to access the Facebook or YouTube. Then that kind of a lab we can do here. Dashboard. Okay, now log into the smart dashboard. Use enter the credentials. As it is a 15 days trial version, so it's showing as a trial version date. Okay, here you have to add, when you are doing a fresh installation, you have to add the standalone devices here in going to checkpoint and security gateway. And in my case I have already added the gateway here, standalone Okay, now straight away we will create a rule. Okay, I will give a name as a internet access. Source will be my internal network. So I will give net 192.168.1.0, that is my LAN, and net mask will be 24 subnet mask 0. So the destination will be any, because I want to reach any destination. So I want to reach internet, so it will be a anyone, and I will be allowing your services any, and my action will be accept, track my logs, and after that you have to add the NAT. Very important thing is I have to add the NAT. So click on the object what you have created, click on NAT, and check this checkbox and automatic translation rule, and our NAT will be happening on hide behind gateway. So whenever the request goes out from here, so it will take my gateway IP address as a translation IP. So hide behind gateway. So click on OK, and after that you have to go standalone one topology, go to topology and get the interfaces. So whatever the interfaces we have, so each one is inside line interfaces, and each zero is a towards internet interface. Let's add on it. Click on OK, go to topology again and edit the interface. Each zero is connected to external. Click OK, click OK, yes, and install the policy. So now what we try to do is we will ping to Google, continuous ping. So once it is reachable, so I will be able to get a hits. So what is showing, the topology information must be configured as of this standalone interface is in order to use the selected features. Close. Yes, now we are able to see the hits here. I think we have successfully installed the policy to gateway, and we are able to reach the 8.8.8. So now try to access the youtube.com. Yes, I am able to access the Facebook. Yes, let's access the Gmail. So let's check the time. What is the current time? Yes, I'm able to see the login page of Facebook. Yes, YouTube. Okay, time is 11:22 p.m. Okay, now we are able to access the Gmail as well. So we have able to access the internet from Windows host machine. So next lab, what we will do is we will enable the we will enable the URL filtering blades, that is application control and URL filtering blades, and we will allow some sites, social sites, and some we will allow deny some sites. I think this video is informative for you. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.